was in profits and only to see the market reversal and got hit by stop loss? Frustrating, right? That's where trailing stop loss comes into picture. This is a powerful tool that helps you to lock in profit and minimize the risk. So in this video, I'll break down what is trailing stop loss, how it is being calculated in QuantMan, how does it work in QuantMan, and most importantly, how to use this to protect your gains and minimizes the losses. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first topic is what is trailing stop loss. This trailing stop loss helps us to move the stop loss as per the price moves. Instead of fixing a certain stop loss, it helps us to adjust even when the market moves in your favor. By this, it will help you to lock in profits and minimizes the losses. Now let's see how to set up trailing stop loss in QuantMan. Go to QuantMan platform. Log in with the broker that you have. Now go to create strategy page and create your strategy based on your requirement. Now go to features enablement and enable trailing stop loss. To enable trailing stop loss, first you need to enable the initial stop loss, which can be given in points, percentage, or even in rupees. Now click on add trailing stop loss. You will have two parameters like X and Y. The X value should be always greater or equal than the Y's value. Now you can view the number of times the stop loss has been trialed in the transaction details page. Now let's see how the trailing stop loss is being calculated in QuantMan. The first thing that you have to place is the initial stop loss. This initial stop loss can be placed in rupees, points, or even in percentage. The second one is when the price moves in your favor, the stop loss also moves to that direction, but it does not go in the downward direction. The third thing is if the price gets reversed and hit by the trailed stop loss, the positions will get automatically exited from the trade to secure in profits and reduces the risk. Now let me show you with an example. Suppose if you enter into a long position to trade with a premium of 200 with the initial stop loss of 10 points, which is at the premium of 190. Then I'm going to give the condition in trailing stop loss, like if the X moves by 10 points, that is from 200 to 210, then the stop loss should also move from 10 points, that is from the initial stop loss like 190 to 200. If the market moves from 210 to 230, the stop loss will also move from 200 to 220. If suddenly the market moves from 230 to 220, then my stop loss would be at 220. So by this way, it will help you to minimize the further losses from that particular trade and locks in profit. This is how the trailing stop loss is being calculated in QuantMan. Now you will have a question like when and why to use this trailing stop loss. This is best for trendy markets. It helps you to lock in profit if the price moves in your favor. It protects against reversals. Prevents from winning trades into a losing ones. It is more suitable for algo trading as it helps you to remove the emotional decision making. If you want to automate risk management and lock in profits, then trailing stop is your best choice. Now you tell me what do you think about this trailing stop loss and have you ever used in QuantMan? If yes, drop a comment on the comment section. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such updates and videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Happy trading!
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.